exponents. So if I just gave you x to the 1/5 times x to the 3/5, okay, write all this stuff down. You should be keeping this in here. That's why I'm giving them to you very methodically. Because right now, what is the rule for multiplying exponents? Add them, okay? So the rules for everything that you've known about exponents are the same, even if they are rational exponents. So when I'm going to have 4/5, right? And I can rewrite 4/5 as what? Okay, so I know what, I have an index. My index is 5, and it's raised to the 4th power, whatever that is in this case. Okay? Okay, what?
What is the 4 on the outside of that column?
It's raised to the 4th power. That's raised to the 4th power, right. Okay? So let's look at this one. Rewrite, and this is m squared n to the 3rd to the 1/4. We're raising it to the 1/4 power using a radicand. All right, right, or as a radical. Okay, so do we know what the index is? 4. Okay, so we're going to rewrite it as 4. Right? That's pretty simple. Are we good with that? What? That's it. That's it. That was all you had to do. Rewrite that using a radical, and you did that. Yes?
But can you take the m out?
M is to, we want the 4th power. We want, it's the 4th root of m squared. Okay, it wasn't just m, the square root of m squared. That's what the index is.
Oh, okay.
All right. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, what do I, oh, here it is. So, if I can just cover that in for a second. Here are your directions. Rewrite using a rational exponent. So now I'm asking you to go back. You should be able to go back and forth. So in this case, rewrite using a rational exponent. Okay?
Why is there parentheses in that one?
I think they're just together.
Does it matter?
No. Okay, so is the index in the numerator or the denominator? It's going to be in the denominator, and it's going to be raised to the 3rd power. So what's the rational? 3/5, right? Okay. So I could just rewrite that as y squared. So I would use parentheses here,
I think that
Cassie.
you put parentheses around the entire thing.
I would put the parentheses here because I want to make sure
Yeah, no, I
that this
understood it was
will, right.
But on that one, it would make more sense to put parentheses around the whole thing except for the 3. Like, if it was like 5 or like all of that was
Yeah, the
the
words
same.
might be hard to
Okay.
tell.
All right.
It's kind of confusing when there's 2 like radicals, you know, like the index kind of.
Okay. All right. Last one. I believe I have one more, and then okay, one more. Okay. Now, let's try to simplify this. So I'm going to simplify this, and we're going to talk about something in a second. So I have my index is 12, and so if I rewrite that, what will that be? D to the 4 12th. Okay, so I have d to the 4 12th, and can I simplify d to the 4th 12th?
Yes.
It's going to be d to the 3rd.
So the 4 that's inside the radical symbol there,
Yeah,
it's effectively doing the same thing as if the 4 was on the outside of the
that's right.
radical symbol. So you could write it as like d to the 4th in parentheses and then the 1/12, and that's the same as 4/12.
And the 1 over, yes, yes,
Because those
yes.
are the same thing.
yes.
But then why, in the other problem that we
So would that be, then why
So
would
shouldn't
it
the four
expand?
be outside of it?
You know what, it really doesn't matter, it would be the same either way, and I can give you an example showing you that. It can go either way, because I could take,
But the last one we just did, it
Had
was
x, y
to the
squared,
second
and then,
power and then to the third power
and we used
outside
the
of it.
3 and then square for me.
So could you combine them? The one
and
that you
the
just
other one, it was
Maybe a 6 or a
parentheses
5.
because you had two variables.
No, it wasn't in parentheses, it was that, it was said, the problem was 5 as the index, rad xy squared in the thing, and then there was a to the third on the outside. And so, but we used the squared, like we didn't put it in the, like, the answer ended up being xy squared to the 3.
Okay, so, yes, I see what you're saying.
So could
So
you
in
switch
this
them over?
particular one, the y is squared, but this whole term will be cubed.
So you can only move that exponent over if it applies to everything that would be inside the radical.
That's right, that's why this parentheses is saying that you're going, whatever this is, you're going to take the cube of this after you have found the fifth
But then how
root
come
of
the
it.
4 is in the same spot as the 2 is?
Pardon me?
How come the 4 is in the same spot as the 2? Why is it not?
Because there's nothing else with it.
Okay.
It's just D. Okay, it's just D. Okay, so I need